Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying capability. Open Device Manager and locate your wireless adapter to confirm it lists 802. 11 AC, AX, or dual band. Once done, open Settings Right Arrow Network and Internet Right Arrow Wi-Fi and select Change Adapter Options. This brings up the adapter you'll edit. You need admin rights to change driver advanced properties, so make sure you can approve prompts. Keep the SSID and password handy, because you may disconnect while switching bands. This ensures you're changing the right adapter and not wasting time. Now you change the preference inside the driver. Right-click the wireless adapter, choose Properties, Configure, then the Advanced tab where settings like Band, Preferred Band, or Wireless Mode appear. Select 5 GHz if you want that band, choose 2. 4 GHz when range matters more. After selecting, click OK and disable, then enable the adapter to force the change to take effect. If you don't see that option, update the driver from the laptop maker or adapter vendor, or temporarily use distinct SSIDs on the router to pick the correct band. Finish by reconnecting to your wireless network and verifying the band. Open Wi-Fi details or adapter status to see the active channel and confirm 5 GHz versus 4 GHz. Run a speed test to validate higher throughput and lower latency. If the 5 GHz option doesn't appear, reboot the router, ensure 5 GHz is enabled and broadcasting, update the laptop driver, and move closer to the router to rule out range limits. If problems persist, roll back driver changes or contact support for the adapter model.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.